"68 different holes, with various diameters, threads, fits, and counter bores." The feature and macro technology of hyperMILL simplifies the CAMP programmer's daily work. With only a few clicks, you can easily detect all holes, pockets, and T-slots in your part. With the use of macro technology, holes can be programmed in record time. To do this, the user selects all detected drilling features. Now we just have to apply the appropriate macro. Now all drilling jobs, with all programming parameters, are created automatically. Before the calculation, the job sequence within the job list can be optimized. This avoids unnecessary tool changes, which saves processing time. The calculation produces programs for every hole, including tapping, reaming, and countersinking operations.